This $250,000 mystery box is so big that they couldn't ship it to our studio and had to build it in our warehouse.
The contents of this box were shipped from all across the country over the last 2 months.
As far as we know, the world's largest and most expensive mystery box.
And most mysterious mystery box.
I have no idea what's inside. 3, 2, 1, press the button. Oh, all right, then we pull. Then we pull. All right. Pull. Oh, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling. What? Oh, that wind. Oh, what? Wait, it's a Lamborghini. Oh my gosh.